Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by prepping a high-contrast base so halftones read cleanly. First, duplicate your image and convert the copy to a smart object so you can tweak non-destructively. Once done, desaturate that smart object and push contrast with levels or curves. Aim for clean blacks and whites with minimal midtones. You want pronounced edges because the screen print effect relies on strong separations. Make sure to hide the original layer so you can always revert to full color if needed. Now you move into separations. Create 2 4-spot channels or work in RGB for fewer colors. For each channel, use Filter Pixelate Color Halftone and set max radius to control dot size. Keep screen angles around 45 degrees to avoid moire. Once applied, refine each channel with threshold or posterize to sharpen dots and reduce speckle. You should toggle channels on and off to check overlap. This helps you balance density, so prints won't fill in or lose detail. To finish, recombine your halftone channels into a layered PSD and set each layer to multiply so inks simulate real printing. Align layers carefully using small nudges. Even 1 pixel shifts change color registration. If edges look too harsh, apply a subtle Gaussian blur to the halftone layer and lower opacity to taste. For output, test at actual print size and resolution. If dots are merging, reduce the halftone radius or increase white space with threshold. Troubleshooting. If colors muddy, separate more distinctly or reduce overlap.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.